It's recommended that you clean it about once a month. Stale soap and fabric softeners can build up, so regular cleaning not only increases your washer's longevity, it ensures a higher quality wash as well. And while you can use bleach to disinfect your washing machine, the residue that might get on your skin from clothing can be irritating. Natural cleaners work just as well, and they're a lot gentler on the skin. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. Here's how to clean your washing machine with a concoction of white vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils. Step 1. To start, your washing machine should be empty. Then, place approximately 2 cups of baking soda where you would normally put the clothes. Put on a long, hot water cycle and allow it to run. The water and baking soda will gently scrub the inside of your drum, destroying that stale and moldy odor that can build up from soap and fabric softener over time. Step 2. In the compartment where you typically put your detergent, add 2 cups of distilled white vinegar and about 10 drops of an essential oil, such as tea tree or lavender. This fearless duo will not only help with mildew and mineral deposits, but it will also disinfect. Run the longest, hottest, largest load setting on your machine and let it work its magic. Step 3. It's now time to wipe down the inside of the machine. Use a cotton cloth and vinegar to wipe down the drum, and agitator if you have a top-load machine. You can combat tough stains by combining baking soda and water into a paste, then scrubbing with a non-abrasive sponge. Step 4. If you've got a front-load washing machine, the rubber seal surrounding the door to prevent the water from leaking out has to be cleaned as well. It's a magnet for all kinds of gross stuff. Take your cloth again and dip it into a mixture of vinegar and 10 drops of essential oil. Now wipe down all that gunky buildup. Step 5. The last step is to clean the remaining parts of the washer, including the detergent dispensers, crevices, and the door frame. The inside and outside of the door can be cleaned with a mixture of vinegar and water. You can add a boost of baking soda and use a toothbrush to get the harder to reach areas. And don't forget to wipe down the control panel to remove any dust and dirt buildup. Now that your washing machine is spick and span, there are a few things you can do to keep it that way longer. When not in use, leave the door open slightly to allow for airflow and to reduce that musty odor. Also, don't use more detergent than you need to. Most machines these days are high efficiency, which means you need less than you probably think. And using too much, too often, will cling to the walls of your machine and cause funky odors. You may also want to try a natural detergent and softener. They are not only better for the environment since they are free of harmful chemicals, but they also clean your clothes without leaving any residue. This means less gunk building up in your washing machine. In any case, washing your washer isn't the most glamorous thing in the world, but it's also not that bad. The hardest part may just be remembering to do it. So, incorporate it into your cleaning routine to have the cleanest clothes in all the land.